Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. Do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I would say a healthy day. Nothing explosive, but it wasn't anything terrible either. And after the big pullback that happened on Thursday, going into today, it did make more than enough sense to be thinking, okay, is something wrong? Is it kind of game over? What exactly is going on here? And no, I mean, I would not say you could, call this game over after today's price movement. I mean, you can't say that the momentum is necessarily back either, but it was a pretty neutral day. But again, like I said, when you factor in the context that there did seem to be quite a bit of downward selling pressure headed into Friday, and now all of a sudden the price just essentially went sideways. Okay, maybe this is trying to chip away some sort of higher base here, which is why I would say that, moving forward, that level right down there around 70 cents definitely remains very, very important. And as I've talked about in the past, but we'll reiterate here, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 70 and then break down below it, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was in that side of the range. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So yeah, definitely staying above that 70-cent mark would be ideal, and a good representation that the overall trend is still maintaining itself and that the price is, has the ability to chip away and build those higher bases. Now, in the event the price starts to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance is going to be right there at 94. And then after 94, next key level after that, up there around the $1.25 mark. So keep your eye on those couple of main roadblocks moving forward. But definitely, at least in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance right away. It's about just going through healthy consolidations and chipping and building those higher bases. So we'll see what happens with it next week. But yeah, no doubt about it. Crazy week this past week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.